This is a story about a world obsessed with stuff. It's a story about a system in crisis. We're trashing the planet, we're trashing each other, and we're not even having fun. The good thing is that when we start to understand the system, we start to see lots of places to step in and turn these problems into solutions.
Problems arose in the mid-1970s when Bristol-Myers, a multi-billion-dollar U.S. company with a wide range of products, from pharmaceuticals to cosmetics, and Nestle, a Switzerland-based food and nutrition company, faced criticism for their marketing attempts at encouraging women to exchange breastfeeding for powdered infant formula in third-world countries. Women in these countries were generally unaware of the dangers of mixing unclean water with the infant formula, and because the formula was so expensive, some women were actually diluting it in order to stretch the life of the product. A new citizens' action group was developed called the Infant Formula Action Council, or Infact. The group formed a national campaign and boycotted all Nestle products until the company changed its policies regarding formula promotion, mass media advertising, and the distribution of free samples in hospitals, clinics, and personal residences. Nestle took a much more proactive approach when responding to critical backlash. They led several large baby formula companies to form the International Council on Infant Food Industries and collaborated on the publication of a code of ethics for infant formula promotion. Despite the company's response, the boycotts against Nestle resumed. Infact endorsed the Infant Formula Action Day, where activists took part in activities like fasts, leafletting, and even the Boston Nest Tea Party. Later, Infact also sponsored the Spook Nestle program, which called for a boycott on trick-or-treaters accepting any kind of Nestle candy on Halloween.
My name is Shada Nafisi, speaking on behalf of Corporate Accountability International, a U.S.-based membership organization of 70,000 working to advance the human right to water and sanitation internationally. We commend the Special Rapporteur's report and her call on states for effective planning and action to realize the human right to water and sanitation. This human right is essential to life and must be placed above all other demands on water resources. We also applaud the work of particular states, including the Blue Group, whose efforts have led to shifts towards universal recognition of this right. Realizing the right to water and sanitation is not insurmountable. There is enough water to meet the basic needs of everyone on the planet, but we require the political will to meet that obligation, protect water resources, and defend against threats to public control. States face intense pressure by transnational corporations, international financial institutions such as the World Bank Group, and even UN agencies to delegate water governance. The World Bank's International Finance Corporation essentially serves as the voice of the private sector, advising governments to privatize, bypassing states, and enriching itself through non-transparent, direct investments. Despite the appeal of private financing, transnational corporations have generally failed to provide major infrastructure investment and expand service to marginalized communities.